soon as I get to the fucking door. Now these fools down here, yeah, you know, this morning, yeah, they started doing that bullshit. So I think they're expanding how many people they're using. Now I go to the door, as soon as I get to the door, they're synchronized. I just want to get that. And you already know. I don't even have to tell you that, you know, then they're honking. So, man, you know, today, all day, sirens again. Remember, don't forget this. Little town, it's not a city. There's no demand for emergency vehicles every day. There's just not, okay? It's not a city. It's not even a big town. This is purely to harass me, maybe other people too, I don't know, but presuming me, because it's driving down the road, and they'll be you'll see this in a lot of my videos, it'll be constantly, you know, turning the sirens on this little road, which is not opposite my house, but you know, it's the main road. There they go again, the main road going to you know, honk harlots, siren horse, you know. It's really ridiculous, man. They are desperate, man, I'm telling you. They're desperate to try and affect me. Well, they're just, you know, oh yeah, check this shit out. You know, got this shit. That bullshit there for those motherfuckers next door. And they go again. Alright. So, you hear how deliberate that shit is. You know, it's fucking deliberate coughing. But yeah, those fucks aren't gonna. I'm getting razor wire too. So don't think pulling a fucking tree down is gonna help you, because it's fucking not, yeah? It's not gonna help you get through, because I'll fucking patch it up. If I have to put motherfucking razor wire along the whole fucking wall, I will, yeah? But you know, this is gonna get dealt with at some point. But, yeah. You know, these motherfuckers, man, it's like all around now. They got the fools, you know. This is what they do, yeah? They surround you. If they can't surround you, they'll get people around you to do this shit, get involved with the targeting. So now they got these motherfuckers up there doing the fake cough. They got honking. How many times, yeah? You know, they got these fools next door. You got these fools. Alright? Surround. And the fool next door on the right. So you got all these perps, people getting involved in this shit. You know, whatever. If you surround me, fine. I'm gonna make a fortress. That's fine. I'm gonna make a fortress, because that's what fortresses are for, to keep scum out, to keep vermin out, human or otherwise. And if I catch you in here, you will get fucked up. I'm telling you, I'm not playing. So we got this shit here. No, they can't get through there. We've got more razor wire. We're gonna have anti-climb spikes, the whole job lot. So don't be fucking thinking this shit's easy now. Cause it won't. You want to chop everything down there? Go ahead. I'll put razor wire along the whole length of the fucking fence, man. I'll put something up. You ain't fucking coming in here. You ain't fucking coming in. Sorry about the red flower. You know, that's not to sensitize anyone or anything like that. Yeah, you know, it's you want to surround me, cool. Well, I'm gonna make a castle. You're gonna get a castle, you know. It's That saying, isn't it? Englishman's home is his castle. Fine. You know, if they want to play games and whatnot, they want to knock trees down, I'm going to put more shit up. That's fine. You want to waste your time because that's what you're going to be doing. You know, it's there he goes again. You already know that motherfucker. Over day, over week. So, yeah, you know, aside, short from a fucking moat, we've got a fortress going on. I'm not fucking messing about. You think I was joking? You fucking think I was joking when I said I'd put all this shit up? I'm not a fucking joker, man. It's sad it has to be necessary, but you know, it's got to be done. I'm not having motherfuckers coming into my house. That's it. Sorry, I've got a cough. I'll try and do it. So I'm trying to mask it with my shirt. You know, that's the chemtrails, man, because we're in Jersey and they were spraying chemtrails all the time, man. In the sky. Sorry about that. That pisses me off, man. I'll tell you, the only way I could do that is either go inside and do it, or try and cover it with my shirt. So, yeah, you know, it's been a bit better today with the sky at least, but you know, they on the other side of things, you know, just non-stop bullshit. Not just from them, but my family. You know, I have my dad over and he's doing hand signals again. And then, you know, it's funny because it's like, my family on about taking me to the shop, and they're like, "Oh, your dad can wait in the house, you know, in the garden, whilst you're gone." I'm like, "Nah, I don't want to do that." You know, and they're like, "Why?" Well, I'm like, you know, I said, you know, because I don't want anything to happen whilst I'm gone with some other people, but I'll turn that away. But the reason being is because I think he might be letting these motherfuckers in, man, or even doing the shit. You know what I mean? So I'm not taking any chances on that. With how he's been acting recently, especially in Jersey, I don't trust him a bit. You know what I mean? If you'd have seen how he was behaving, what he was doing, you would agree. You know, there's something ain't right. So yeah, you know, they're doing the sirens. Good little prostitutes of the state. Good little hookers. They're being paid to do their bullshit, whilst real people that need ambulances can't get them. Right? You know? Real emergencies they can't get to, but they've got plenty of time to do this crap. They've got plenty of time to drive down the road with the sirens on, haven't they? It's a fucking joke. It really is a fucking joke, and it's just beggars belief, you know. But it's what these motherfuckers are doing. It's what you know, they've got people doing, paying them to do, and if they want to do their bullshit, I'm gonna laugh at it, you know, because it's not bothering me. It's just and you know, in town, right, they got someone doing a hand signal. You know, I do a hand signal back, and he looked pissed off. Right now, they're looking really pissed off. I've noticed it. The fuck? You see that shit? Motherfuckers playing games and shit. You know, they ain't happy, man, but fuck them, you know what I mean? It's like, when you're going through this shit, you come first, because these motherfuckers, man, it's like, they... okay, whatever. You know, they just had a car racing, revving, you know, aggressively screeching the tyres on the ground. It's pathetic, man. It's pathetic. You don't intimidate me. You don't fucking intimidate me. It's bullshit. It's just games. It's pathetic. It really is pathetic. And I'll be doing that because of the video, you know, because I'm doing a video. I'm running out of power. But I think I got enough to do maybe a minute or two more. But yeah, you know, they're playing games. They're little games. So yeah, there's someone